私たちの危ない関係、この PV で言ってもいいの？
いや、それはまずいだろう。未成年も見てるわけだし。
隠しちゃうんだ。まあいいけどね。
Snow keeps falling in silence, swallowing every sound of the city. I walk through the white darkness with no destination, only frozen memories rising through my soles like an ache. Last winter, everything collapsed. The voice that once answered my call, the warmth leaning against my shoulder, all of it vanished faster than the snow. Whether it was war or misfortune, the reason no longer mattered. The fact of losing you alone scraped my lungs each time